You know, as the guy in the middle, it's my job to keep everyone happy.
What's holding you back?
Truth is, I'm not happy. Everything we create feels so static and flat. Where's the depth? Where's the dimensionality?
Tell me more about that.
If only we had assets that popped, something our audience can't ignore. Then the intel on our demographics, on who's engaging, on overall content performance. Our ROI is basically AWOL. If we don't modernize, we're
Have you gone outside today?
Outside? Never heard of it. No, but seriously, if I could just take a minute to talk about the grind. The project owner believes that the color scheme isn't accessible to men over 60.
How do you cope?
Oh, easy. I just stop the rotation of the planet, freeze time, and tend to every itty-bitty little detail instantaneously.
Mind over matter has not met a locked PDF.
How am I supposed to accurately measure and report our impact with technology from 1993?
Sure, I'll just swap the stock photo from V8 Final Spanish with V2 Draft. Easy, right? Thanks, PDF.
Have you tried Foleon?
Foleon?
Ooh, should I try Foleon?
Foleon.
Foleon is a content creation platform. With Foleon, everything is in one place. With templates and copy updates, you won't be responsible for creating multiple versions.
Don't tease me.
Really? You have a full overview of all the assets. You can even make copy changes once a publication has gone live.
So I can fix the typos myself? No more think outside the box?
You can also see exactly how people are engaging with your content and what they're clicking through.
Good. I've been looking for ways to prove marketing's value. Can we use Foleon for bespoke ABM content?
Absolutely. With Foleon, you can create a specific account-based campaign that's engaging and interactive with unlimited tailored versions, tracking which ones perform best.
With Foleon, we can collaborate, we can set user permissions and keep the brand consistent. We can scale. Dude.
If you want to.
And what if they still want it to look terrible?
I don't have a cure for bad taste, but maybe you do. Foleon reduces stress, empowers your team, and makes content engaging. Create the content your audience craves with Foleon.